That's a really good question. I think this whole idea of passion, of course, it varies depending on the person. And I guess within my own perspective, I view passion as something, it's not just what do you feel most attracted to, but I think passion can also come from how valuable it can be deemed from, say, society or from other people's point of views. And in my perspective, what makes a fulfilling career is, of course, like having more of a hard skill, because I know that it's something more tactical and people can see exactly the final output of what you're doing. I think the value of having these high level skills is also reflected in salary. So I know that UX is a very hot job right now, or growing professional career, and having that value being reflected also in the salary is something that I did value in a future fulfilling career. I have a friend, she works at Gensler. It's this architecture company, and she is one of the UX designers there. And that was the first time I ever heard about UX design. Then a year later, when I was debating whether or not to stay in fashion, I first came to Parsons as a fashion design major. But knowing that fashion wasn't the career for me, I looked at other options, remembered a friend was in UX design, and knowing that the current space that we are at is more digital, and things have to be kind of digital, I guess, to be lucrative in a way. I considered UX design, did more research, and it seemed to be the intersection of so many things like design, business, psychology, and I thought it was a really good fit for me. I think it's like every day that you work on something, it's not that you're just designing, but there's so many different other aspects that you must account for. You do need to have sort of a business edge to you, because you need to have conversations with stakeholders. What are they looking for? Also have a bit of psychology into knowing truly what is the context of these users, and when are they using specific applications, and how is that reflected in your design decisions. So it's kind of like having a mix of everything and not designing in isolation, which is my favorite part.